Echo Chamber, Echo Chamber.
Hi everybody. Making your friends laugh brings you joy. You want to be a sought-after person among them by making good jokes. However, it doesn't always go as planned. How people react to jokes is generally tied to personal preferences and sense of humor. If your jokes often receive negative reactions or people find it hard to laugh, you may consider the following suggestions. Making jokes related to your audience's interests can lead to more positive reactions. Jokes about common interests can increase the likelihood of laughter. Since timing is a crucial element of humor, make sure to deliver your jokes at the right moments. Prefer situations where others are relaxed and open. Improvisation skills help you become more flexible and make quick jokes. This can make your jokes more spontaneous and natural. Making references to daily events or pop culture can help your listeners better understand and therefore react better to your jokes. Making light jokes about yourself can help people see you as more genuine and open. Observe people's reactions and take feedback into account. If a particular joke, concept, or style is receiving negative reactions, consider making changes. The dosage of humor is crucial. Making too many jokes can lead to boredom or discomfort among listeners. Maintaining a balanced dosage can make you more effective. Understanding the social dynamics within a group can help you determine which topics are appropriate when making jokes. Avoid sensitive subjects. Experimenting with different comedy styles can help you appeal to various senses of humor among your listeners. Drawing inspiration from humor magazines, stand-up comedians, and popular humor sources can help you find current and interesting jokes. Remember, everyone has a different sense of humor. Some people may laugh at specific types of jokes, while others may prefer different styles. Finding your natural style and expressing yourself comfortably is important. Maybe there's a comedian inside you waiting to be awakened. You can do it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Wishing you days full of laughter.